My name is Sombir Sharma, and I'm working with Samsung Electronics from last 11 years, and I have experience in manufacturing industry from last 13 years, and I felt that this AI is a buzzword nowadays, and we everyone should learn about it. I was very curious about the course, so I was searching something to learn about AI. So then I found that IIM Lucknow offering this course. So it was a very good opportunity with such a brand name like IIM Lucknow. Course was very helpful actually. I learned a lot in both of the aspect. As you know, the course name was AI for the business. So in the both technical and the business side, it was very clear and loud to understand all of the perspective of the business and use cases and how can we solve the problem of any business with AI nowadays. So it was very helpful course for any kind of person, especially in the manufacturing industry. Actually, no one is seeking nowadays for AI, but I think it is very good approach if the companies should think about it and the youngsters come into picture and they can understand and implement the new technology into the process. It was very fabulous faculties from the different branches, and one of the reputed peoples they teaches us about the artificial intelligence all over India, and it was a very good learning experience. Even they have shown a lot of business cases, and they have shown the use cases how AI is going to change the world. Of course, I recommend this course. Recommend this course for all the peoples who is searching to learn something new, and I think they must join and come and learn from the IIM Lucknow. It is a very great chance to learn about AI and contribute into the success of the country as well.